Do you snore, or do you know somebody who snores? Alright guys, let's talk about obstructive sleep apnea, also known as OSA, a serious sleep disorder where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts. Diseases that are associated with OSA: high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, stroke, congestive heart failure, heart attacks, and irregular heartbeats, in this case known as atrial fibrillation. The usual culprits for the obstruction in OSA: your tongue and the soft palate in the back of your throat. In severe cases like this, we definitely recommend a CPAP, a device that you wear at night that causes positive pressure to go down your throat, opening up your airway and preventing the obstruction. All right, guys, hope that helps. More in the caption below. Peace.